In this video, we'll be updating your logo within your theme settings within the theme editor of your Shopify store. Check out our previous videos for navigating into your theme editor. Once you're in the theme editor, you'll be in the sections page where you can edit the home page of your website. Go over to the left-hand side, select the gear icon, which is your theme settings. Select logo. Here, you're presented with the ability to upload a logo. You can either edit that image once you've uploaded it to your website, or you can change it by selecting it from a library, exploring free images. You can remove the image if you've uploaded it previously, or you can connect to a dynamic source if your image is hosted elsewhere. If you select from your library, it'll open up the store library within your Shopify store and show all files that you have added to your Shopify store previously. For your logo, you want to make sure that you're uploading a logo that is optimized for the aesthetics that you're looking for on your Shopify store. This logo will populate across the header of your website on every page. You can set up your desktop logo width settings by using this slider to increase or decrease the logo size on your website, and you'll see that populate within the preview window. Your Favicon image is the image that is located next to the name of the tab within your web browser. You can either connect to a dynamic source if it's hosted elsewhere, or you can select an image from within your content library. For the Favicon, you'd like to select something that is more of a brand mark rather than a logo. And now this image will display on the tab within the web browser for whenever a page from our website is open. The image itself will be scaled down to 32 by 32 pixels, so make sure that you're using a image editor to upload a image optimized for this use. If you found this video helpful, click subscribe down below and follow us for more on setting up and running a business online. Keep working at your craft and building your business from the ground up.